How to deactivate your Facebook on your mobile or cell phone. Okay, so fire up your Facebook app, and on the top where you have the 3 lines, so just come down here, click on settings and privacy, and then on settings, if you scroll down under your Facebook information, click on account ownership and control, and then click on deactivation and deletion, and then make sure deactivate account is selected and click on continue to account deactivation. If you want to just temporarily deactivate for a short while, click on that if you're going to come back, say within 7 days. But if you want to deactivate indefinitely, as you don't know when you want to come back, just come back on here and just click on continue. It might ask you to fill in the field, so click on that again and just type in whatever you want. You can type in anything, just as long as it's filled. Click on continue. It will give you some other options. Do you want to keep your messenger, and do you want to be notified by Facebook? You can keep them all unchecked and click on deactivate my account. Once you've clicked it, it will deactivate your account. And your account is deactivated. If you want your account to be, if you want to reactivate your account, you just need to log back in with your cell phone number or mobile number or your email along with your password.